Ready to elevate your application development strategy? First, let's get to Jira and decide which project you want to create an application roadmap. You'll likely want to organize this within a larger scope Jira project that encompasses multiple application developments, or perhaps create one specific project for your application. Within your chosen project, you'll need to create your foundational structures using epics. Think of epics as large chunks of work or high-level initiatives representing key features or goals for your application. Now, access the roadmap feature within your project. Usually, you can find this in the project navigation, typically under roadmaps or plans. If you do not see it, you may need to enable the roadmaps add-in in Jira. Create your epics by clicking Create Epic or New Epic and give them clear, descriptive names like user authentication or payment processing. Add short descriptions and set your start and end dates or estimated durations. Your roadmap is gradually taking shape. Drag and drop epics on the timeline to show their estimated start and end dates. Order them so visualize the sequential workflow. If you have a clear view of the details, you can now create subtasks within your epics to start the development of a specific feature. Using subtasks, you can now associate with each epic. To connect your roadmap to your business plan, determine the dependencies. If an initiative takes 3 months, then set up the appropriate dates. This helps you understand which initiatives should come before the others. Your roadmap will show you progress. Track progress with the progress bars to keep track on how work is done. This will help you improve your app roadmap and keep your team on track. Use this information to help your team and stay up to date on the future of your application.